Okay, good morning, 9th class. Today, in continuation with the topic that is separation of mixtures of that one is solid and liquid. Means one component is solid and one component is liquid. Today, our topic is separation by evaporation. In earlier video, I think you have learned about centrifugation and filtration. Now, another topic we have that is separation by evaporation. Okay, you know evaporation process, general process evaporation. Okay, simple, it's a process in which liquid is converted into vapors. Okay, because it's a liquid that is converted into vapor, that process is evaporation. Okay, normally process of evaporation is slow process, but we can increase the process rate of evaporation. How? By providing heat. हम उसे एक्सटर्नली अपने आप क्या करवा सकते हैं, हीट प्रोवाइड करवा सकते हैं, एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रेट ऑफ इवेपोरेशन ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस. नाउ इन दिस वन, व्हाट्स द मेन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ दिस सेपरेशन बाय इवेपोरेशन? द मेन प्रिंसिपल इज दैट सॉलिड इज सॉल्युबल इन लिक्विड. कोई सा भी सॉलिड है, दैट वन इज सॉल्युबल इन लिक्विड. ओके, इफ दैट सॉलिड इज सॉल्युबल इन लिक्विड, तो फॉर सेपरेटिंग दैट वन मीन्स इफ यू वांट टू गेट दैट solid again, okay, so which process generally we use this process of evaporation. Now in this, okay, what happened in case of evaporation? Just see, this one is simple diagram. I'll explain with the help of diagram. This one is your tripod stand. Okay, now this one is your Bunsen burner. Now just see, this one is connected with some pipe and all. Now this one is your Bunsen burner. Okay, this one is generally we use this burner we used in lab. Okay, we'll use in lab generally, okay, for providing heat. Now this one is your china dish. Okay, now in this dish there is a solution of common salt. Okay, common salt, either you can say table salt, and formula, chemical formula is that is NaCl. This one is sodium chloride. You know, sodium chloride is highly soluble in water. Okay, so this one is solution of, this is solution of what? That one is common salt, NaCl in water, and you want to get that NaCl again. So simple process of evaporation. What happened in china dish? This solution is present. When you heat it, okay, normally we evaporate हो रहा है, okay, but when you heat it, this process become faster हो जाएगा process. Okay, now in this one, simple heat it, then what happened? Water started evaporating. And remember one thing, generally we use those liquid those who are able to evaporate. पता चले evaporate ही नहीं हुआ. Okay, then if you provide heat, then again rate of evaporation increases. What happened? Water started evaporating. Okay, now water started evaporating. So after that, what happened? Only residues left. Okay, and that residue basically is known as what? That one is salt. Okay. Okay, 9th class. Now just see, when all water molecules evaporated, सब कुछ उड़ गया, evaporated. Okay, in that case what happened? Because common salt will not evaporate. Okay, so at last common salt is left behind. You get this. Okay, common salt, and it's not only in case of common salt. You know, sugar is also highly soluble in it. That we have copper sulfate also. That one also dissolved in water. So with the help of this evaporation process, we can get copper sulfate also, sugar also, and whatever is the thing which is soluble in liquid, and that liquid is evaporated also. Either you can say volatile कि वो कैसे होने चाहिए, evaporate होने लायक होने चाहिए, means their boiling point is generally okay, बहुत ज़्यादा high नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, so this one is simple separation by evaporation. Now 9th class, remember one thing. Okay, in this case just see, okay, there drawback भी नहीं कह सकते, but okay, in this process what happened? Only you get one component, means that NaCl is dissolved. Okay, whatever is the solid component you get after this process. Okay, but in case you want liquid also, कई बार ऐसा होता है लिक्विड थोड़ा प्रीशियस है, हमें चाहिए. ओके, नाउ इन केस इफ यू वांट दैट लिक्विड आल्सो बैक, ओके, तो फॉर दैट वन जनरली वी सेपरेट दिस थिंग बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिस्टिलेशन. ओके, किससे करेंगे? डिस्टिलेशन के केस में क्या होगा? बोथ द कंपोनेंट्स विल गेट बैक, दोनों ही हमें वापस मिल रहे हैं. इन दिस केस ओनली वन कंपोनेंट इज देयर, एक ही चीज मिली, पानी तो सारा उड़ गया, इवेपोरेटेड. ओके, नॉर्मली. तो इफ यू वांट दैट लिक्विड आल्सो बैक, तो फॉर दैट वी विल यूज विच मेथड? दैट मेथड इज डिस्टिलेशन. ओके, एंड दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन अनदर वीडियो. ओके, थैंक यू.